In this video, I'll be getting the full resolution image. As you can see in the app here, we've got a pretty low resolution image. This is because when you tap on an image, it's only showing the thumbnail, just blown up to full size, and it looks pretty nasty. So, let's get the full size image. Firstly, the wallpaper model object doesn't have the necessary variables, so let's add that. So we'll have a URL for the full size image, and where we're using screen scraping in the wallpaper service, where we're screen scraping the HTML to get the full image URL, we'll need to modify this to get the URL. Now unfortunately in the HTML we get back in the wallpapers listing, we don't get the full URL for the image. What we'll have to do instead is use the detail and modify that URL to get the full URL. So I'll put a breakpoint in and run it, and I'll show you what I mean. So let's print out the detail variable. That's the URL for the detail page, being this page here. Some interesting, I don't know, Japanese cars or whatever they are. And we want to change this URL into a URL that looks like this. So I'll copy that, put a bit of commenting in here. Detail looks like the following. Full image URL is, and I've pasted the incorrect thing in there. Detail is that, we want it to look like that. So if the detail has the following prefix, whoops, clicked in the wrong spot. Now this is all unfortunate screen scrapey kind of code. In real life you'd have an API and you wouldn't have this nastiness, so please forgive it for the purposes of this demo. So if the detail has the prefix, we would store the full URL. It's the detail string from substring from index. We want to skip the first 36 digits. And we want to interpolate that into the following. And there we have it, the full URL should be created. Now we just need to store that in the wallpaper URL. Great. So there we have it, it's grabbing the ID from the detail URL and putting it into a URL like the following. Now we need to go to the wallpaper view controller and view the full size image instead of the thumb, and hopefully the app will look a lot better now. One with stars is always good to look at. There we go, looks a lot more higher resolution now. Great. Fantastic. All right, thanks for watching.